So what's up guys, in today's video we will talk about earning money with lawyers. So how to earn money with lawyers? It's a very new topic for everyone who is watching video, who is searching earning money online. So I will tell you what's happening. Okay guys, so earn money, earn money with lawyers. Okay. So how can a lawyer earn money? Charging fees according to the person and according to the case for an individual. So, in my opinion, how you can earn money with lawyers because you are not a lawyer but you want to earn money from lawyers. So, it's a very different concept and it's a very new concept and it's I have created this new concept. So, इसमें what you need to do simply first you need to make a websites, a blogger website or anything. You can also create by blogger for free, or you need to create on WordPress with buying a hosting. Blogger is a free way, but there are no many some customizations. So, what will you do? So, just create a blogger.com website or anything. Just create a website, okay? And in website, just create your law firm. Create a law firm. In the law firm, you just mention the cases and the lawyers, or the top lawyers and the cases of their top cases. Okay, so just show them on your website. Then people will come on your website and then just give your contact number. Then you will affiliate to the lawyers. So the lawyer will pay you money for contacting them to the. I mean, like you understand how you will earn money. You take money from the client and then pay to the lawyer and then just meet them. So this is the way.